Hey guys, today we're going to make a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A06. If you are using Samsung Galaxy A06 and now you want to make a first time setup of your device, so let's see how you can do this. First of all, when you power on your phone, you will get the this time display. Here you just have to select your language here, just tap on it, and here you will get a list of different languages. You can easily select for your device. As I have already selected English UK, now select OK from here, and after that you just have to select start. So just tap on it and you'll get this type screen which is for your review. Here you just have to agree to and use it license agreement, privacy policy, and sending of diagnostic data. Just select agree to all and then select agree from here, and after that it will go you to this type screen which whether you will get easy setup with another device. If you are using any device before this phone, it might be Android, Samsung, or iPhone, so you can easily use that to set up your phone. You just have to select the option from here. If you are using Galaxy or Android, select phone, and if you're using any iPhone, select the second option. So you can easily make a setup just scanning with a QR code, but I'm going to set up manually. Just select the third option, and here you just have to use a Wi-Fi network. Just select the Wi-Fi network, and here you have to enter the password of your Wi-Fi network. Just enter that password, then select connect, and when you connect to the internet, it will go to the second page. Just select next, and here you will get this type screen which is getting your phone ready. It will take almost 2 to 5 minutes to make a setup, so you just have to wait for this. So after waiting for almost 2 minutes, we reach to this page which is copy apps and data. Here you can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. If you're using any Samsung device, you can easily select this one to copy all of your apps and data to this phone. But I'm going to skip this one, and here just select don't copy, and after that you will get this type screen, and you just have to set up your Google account after that. So just wait for its loading, and here's the Google sign in. If you have any Google account, you can easily log in here, but if you won't have an account, you can easily create one from here. But I'm going to skip this step. Just tap on skip and it will be skipped. Just select skip from here, and after that here you will get the protect your phone option. Here's the face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, pin, or password. You can easily select with which you want to protect your phone, but I'm going to skip this step and I will set up it in settings later. So just select skip from here, then select skip anyway, and here you will get Google services which is use location, allow scanning, send users and diagnostics data, and here's install updates and apps. You just have to agree to all, then select accept from here, and here you will get the discharge screen again. You just have to wait for it until it's loading, and after that you will get your Samsung account setting. If you have any Samsung account, you can easily log in here your email or phone number, but if you don't have anyone, you can easily select the forgot password or don't have an account. Just select this one, and here if you forgot the password of your account, you can easily recover that. But if you want to create one account, you just have to select first, but I'm going to skip this step. Just select setup and settings letter. Just select skip from here, and here you will get the Samsung service legal information. You just have to agree through them all, which is terms and conditions, turn on and customization service on this phone. And here's the get news and special offers on this phone. Improve personalized ads based on data from this phone. You just have to select all, then select agree from here, and here you will get the Samsung services which is auto blocker customization service. You must have to agree to them, and after that you will get choose your display mode which you want. If you want to select a light display, you can select. If you want to select a dark display, you have to select from here, but I'm going to select a light display, then next, and then you will get a this screen which is please wait until it's being loading. And here's we have done, you are all set up. Now you just have to select home to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of your Samsung Galaxy A06. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.